Hey there! Ever wondered how much iCloud storage is left on your iPhone? It's super helpful to know, especially when you're trying to manage your backups, photos, and other files. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to check your iCloud storage on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and profile picture. Tap on it to go to your Apple ID settings. Once you're in the Apple ID menu, look for and tap on iCloud. You'll now see a bar graph at the top of the screen showing how much of your iCloud storage is being used. Tap on Storage to get more detailed information about what's taking up space. Now, at the top of the Manage Storage screen, you'll see the total amount of iCloud storage you have, as well as how much is still available. Below that, you'll find a list of apps that are using iCloud storage. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your iCloud storage on your iPhone. It's super easy to keep track of your space and manage it whenever you need. If you're running low on space, maybe it's time to delete some old backups or even consider upgrading your storage plan. If you have any questions or need more help with anything else, feel free to ask. I'm happy to assist.